in many firms you have architects that are kind of like they're under one roof of, let's say, design. But then you have the HVAC system, the engineers, you have the electrical people, and they're in different subgroups or they're subcontracted. With ZMM, if you're in this facility, which I am presently right now, it is under one roof. They have everything. I've worked with firms to where I would have an issue and I would try to say, you know, I need someone to answer this. Well, they would send me to, let's say, a lighting, electrical folks, and I'd go to that company. Well, that's these folks' fault, not mine. So finally, at one time, I brought, I think, 5 or 6 people at the table because I got the runaround. And I brought them in and I said, we're not leaving this table till someone answers who's responsible for this. I said, you all keep pointing a finger around and I never get an answer. That's what you deal with when you don't have everything under one roof. At ZMM, it's a one-stop shop. And when you're here, there's no finger pointing. It's like everybody's there working, and that's why the quality control is so much better, because they're working together. They're kind of like walk down the hall or walk over to a cubicle next, you know, 2 cubicles down, and there's the answer. And we rely on them heavily. And I also rely on them for, we're talking about new projects, but even projects that I want them to look at for safety concerns. You know, maybe there's something going on and I'm a little concerned and the public's asking me questions. Well, I'll call ZMM down to look at that so I can have an expert. And again, whether that's electrical, engineer, structural, whatever it may be, they have people to send to me. And we use them all the time.